Hello again mga insan. So this is your Kuya Kicks. So mag-unboxing tayo today. So if you could remember dun sa mga nanood ng mga siguro mga lumang unboxing vlogs ko. Okay, konti lang naman yun. Pero I did one a few months ago. Kung ang in-unbox ko yung wireless mic that I bought. Kasi gusto ko nga sana magsimula mag-vlog. Tapos syempre, puro basic items pa yung mga binibili ko. Yung mga simpleng cameras, one of which is yung wireless mic nga. So, the one I'm using right now is a wired one connected dun sa Supremo pocket camcorder, which if you have the chance, tingnan nyo yung video ko ngayon. So, yung reviews ko din. And yung unboxing na sinabi ko na sa wireless mic is for this. Ito yung Haliland. Now, ito, one wireless mic saka one receiver. So, 1:1. One lang yan. Tapos, yung mga normal cords and everything. Kaso, nung in-order ko siya, siyempre napaka-basic nung kailangan ko. So, ang hindi ko napansin is, kasi ang ginagamit kong camera is sometimes mobile phone. So, yung isa doon is yung Huawei na mobile phone. Sobrang ganda ng camera ng phone na yun. Yun nga lang, wala siyang suksukan ng jack for the wireless receiver. Pero meron din pala, ang hindi ko napansin is that yung same product na yun, yung connector niya, may C-type connector pala siya. So, hindi ko siya nakita nung una. Pero nung nakita ko na siya from the same seller, from the same app that I saw the product, meron pala siyang option na overlook ko lang. Tapos, yun yung may C-type siya. Pero, pang dalawang mic siya na variant. So, yung kasama dun sa whole standard ng package, yung mga wires connected to different ports na sa camera and different types of camera, different types of phone, depende kung ano yung ginagamit yung pang vlog. So, ngayon, nakanap ko siya. So, medyo mas mahal lang siya ng konti. And dumating na siya ngayon. So, ito siya. So, i-unbox natin. So, papakita ko rin mamaya later yung difference nila. So, kung yung difference ng dalawang package. And then, yung laman din mismo. Saka, hopefully, by the way, they're the same product. They're the same product name. So, Haliland din siya. And, ang pinagkaiba lang, major na pinagkaiba niya is, aside from the price, is it comes with 2 wireless mics and 1 receiver. And, yung kinailangan ko nung una na connector for the receiver to the phone, which is the C-type connector. So, I will show it later. So, I will unbox this. Okay? Accompany me while we unbox the item, and then let's review it afterwards. Okay? So, here we go. Okay, so let's unbox. Inaayusin ko lang yung mic kasi sinasabi siya sa aking tiyan. Okay? So, pretty much halos lahat naman ng ginagamit ko talaga na nabibili ko from, as you can see, Shopee. Okay? Shopee. Okay. Just to give you a history, yung talagang matagal na rin akong bumibili sa Shopee. So, hindi naman ganun ka, I would not say na my relationship with this particular app is perfect. May mga, din naman tayo, may mga what we call this, past experience na hindi maganda. Pero originally, kaya ako napunta ng Shopee kasi hindi maganda experience ko dun sa isang shopping app. So, Shopee was relatively new back then. Siguro, that was way back 2017, 2018. That was, yun, ever since, I've been buying from them most of the items that I get. So, long before vlogging pa. Okay, so, once I open the big box, there's another small box, pretty much just like the last time nung order ako ng Haliland. So, kudos, maganda talaga yung packaging nila. As you can see, pag ginalaw-galaw mo yung box, because of the bubble wrap. Talagang tight and secure yung, I guess, yung box that contains the actual item. So, tanggalin natin yung maliit na box. Okay? Yung maliit na box, hindi siya shopping na box. But, ito na yung Haliland shop box talaga. Okay? Siya mabasa. Okay. So, yung ultimo tong cutter na hawak-hawak ko ay galing din Shopee. So, ang dami ko nun. Actually, gusto ko ang gamitin sa itong Swiss nito na pumilik ko din siya. Hindi na natin yung matalas siya. Okay. Guys, pag gumagamit kayo talaga ito, dapat pag-ingat kayo. Uy, matalas nga. Okay. Once you open the small box, okay, pag sinipin mo, gumagalaw nga sila. Pero may bubble pa ulit. May second bubble wrapping. Okay. Then you remove the bubble wrap. Kita mo na sa loob yung actual item. Okay. Actual item inside. Uy, may kasama siya. Ano to? Mobile phone patch. Hindi ko alam kung ano to, pero sige, tignan natin. Ito yung kasamang box. Wala to nung sa unang package. It was only this. Ito lang ang kasama. Okay? Okay. So, ito yung dalawa. Ito yung dalawang box. Okay. So, we will open this box first. Okay. We will open this one first. Sabi niya, it is a 3.5mm 2 mobile phone patch display. So, ito yung, I guess, if tama ko, ito yung actual na kailangan ko nung una para gumana siya dun sa magandang Huawei na phone, which is most of the time yun ang ginagamit kong mobile na pag-video. I don't use it for calling. I have a different phone na ginagamit ko talaga for mobile usage. Okay? Itong phone na to, parang kasama, libre lang siya sa plan ko. Tapos hindi ever ko naman siya ginamit kasi ang hirap, aminin nyo, mahirap mag-transfer ng numbers, mahirap mag-transfer ng app, tapos ulitin mo lahat. Especially if you have your mobile banking and all other important applications sa lumang phone. Pag nagbago kayo, ang hirap, medyo matagal maglipat. And ako medyo nahirapan na ito. Okay, ito nga yung hinahanap ko. So, the one that has a Type-C connector, and then ito yung connector to the receiver. Ito yung connector to the phone. Especially for phones that does not have the jack anymore. Yung puro C-type na lang, or yung connectivity niya is wala nang TRS, o wala nang yung mga 3.5mm jack. Yung pang headphones. Okay. So, ito nga yung hinahanap ko talaga. I will tell you later the price if mukhang okay ba siya or not. But, okay, if you really want to get into the vlogging business, and if you really have this passion for sharing your videos, definitely, aside from the visual aids, definitely the sounds is gonna matter. So, you use the quality items that you can find. And sometimes, syempre, katulad nung last vlog ko, I was discussing some of the challenges is that hindi mura, okay, ang mga items na ginagamit for vlogging. Talagang nakita mo yung ibang vloggers, talagang heavy cut yung mga cameras nila, let alone yung mga microphones that they use. Okay, the content that they have is very nice and very high quality simply because maganda yung mga gamit nila. Okay, so now we will open this main box. Wait lang. Okay, so now we will go to opening up the main product. So this is the Hollyland Lark M1. Compared to the last one, it is, yun nga, as I mentioned, may dalawa siyang wireless mic with one receiver. And aside from the first one that I purchased, ito lang ang kasama niya, which is a carrier box. Okay, this one, okay, I will still check on yung laman, but one of the things that I know that is included in this package is that box, yung itim na yan. Ngayon, yung itim na yan is the charging box, the portable charging box. So, dun sa mga guys, like I have this Jabra headset na charge mo yung box niya, kasi every time you put the headset in there, it gets charged. So, yung box na yan is pretty much the same for the wireless mic. So, dun sa unang package, yung package nito, wala siyang kasama natin. So, yun yung isa sa main difference. So, let's open it. Okay, so ito na siya. So inside the box is pretty much the same. If you look at them, okay, wala silang halos difference. This is the first one. This is the brand new one that just arrived today. So pag tinignan mo sila, almost same size. Almost same size talaga lahat. So it's the same Lark M1. Pareho sila. The only difference is, ngayon, bubuksan natin. So, when I open this is the first time I'm gonna see what's inside alongside with you. So, open natin. By the way, ang ganda talaga ng box niya. Talaga yung high quality. And, tchajan! Wow! Very nice, no? So, medyo malaki yung difference, no? So, yan, pag open mo, ito ang bubungan sa'yo. Compared mo dun sa isa, pag in-open natin. Okay? Yun. Diba? Ito ang bubungad sa'yo is yung wireless mic agad. Ito, ang bubungad sa'yo is yung charging box. I guess the wireless mics are inside. So, yun yung difference nila. Okay. So, ito yung charging box. Pag binaliktad mo. So, the built-in ay, no! Nalaglag! Okay, nabinyagan agad. Pero yun nga, pag open agad, okay, yung mga connectors. So, saka yung charging cord. Okay, yung quick guide nasa loob. Now, ito yung pinaka, niya. So, yung dalawang parang foam to the mics. Okay, kasi dalawa nga yung mic. Okay. And now, ito na ngayon ito. Ganda ng package niya, naka-tape talaga siya. Ayun. very yung cellophane cover niya, protector niya sa package. Okay. 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 Ayan. So, if you see, it is yung apat na light. So, it lights up. So, ibig sabihin, the charging box is fully charged. It only has 4 lights. Okay. So, ito yung charging port ng box mismo. So, I will read the user guide manual so that para mamaya mas matutunan ko siya. Okay, so pagka-open mo, nandun yung mga wireless mic sa loob. Ang gaganda nila. So, maganda yung pagkalagay. Ayan. So, maganda. Diba? Okay, so, snug fit. So, medyo may magnetic effect siya. Pagkapasok mo, the connectors will, didikit sila magnetically and then charge. Ito yung wireless mic. Ito naman yung receiver. Okay. So maganda talaga as in, it seems it is well worth its price. Okay. So na-open na natin lahat. So, I will put everything outside and then maybe run some tests and then check kung maganda yung quality din niya. I will try to also make a video na tinitest yung mic and the connector itself, especially this one. Medyo excited ako dito kasi magagamit ko na yung phone for the video. Kasi the last time that I used it, I used a third-party connector. The video was there, but walang sounds. Hindi gumana yung sounds kasi nga the connector was a third party, so most likely baka normally pag ganun compatibility issues So sayang, maganda pa naman yung video. It was for the school's basketball tryout. So meron yung part yun nakapaglaro ako, tapos gamit yung wireless mic. Kaso it was not getting any sounds in return. Kahit na yung malapit ako, even for some of the interviews, wala nangyari. Wala nakuha. Sayang pa naman yung interview. So, yeah. So, thank you very much for unboxing with me. So, next video, we will be reviewing yung mga items na to. Okay. Thank you. And if you like the items that I review, or if meron kayong mga items na gusto nyong ipa-review sa akin, and if I like them, I will buy them, I will unbox them with you, and then I will review them for you as well. Okay? Thank you very much. Again, my name is Sir Kicks, or Kuya Kicks for you. Mga insan, thank you very much. God bless you all.
Evolve.